So I got up early and this morning I'm going to the Borobudur temples. But before I go there, there's a really nice lookout spot. So I have to hike about 10 minutes to this lookout spot and I should be able to see like some nice views of the temple. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
So he's telling me that the road is so narrow that they have to take turns to go up and down this street here. Alright. Thank you.
Yeah, it's best.
Hello. Morning. Morning. How you doing? Good?
Are you load?
Good, yeah. Alright, I made it.
Tipo Buddha and Ganesh, yeah?
Yeah, just one.
50,000 rupiah?
How much?
50,000.
50,000?
Yeah.
So it's a 50,000 entry fee to get in. Nice and cool, man. Cool breeze. It's really nice up here. Good morning.
Good morning. Di apa sih banana?
Banana?
Yeah, banana.
Yeah, I'll have a banana.
Yeah.
How much is it?
Anak saya. 10,000 tiga, 4.
10,000.
3. Mari beli apa deh? Mana sini?
Alright.
Yes.
Thank you. Just bought some bananas for breakfast here. So the hike is not too bad. It's supposed to be a 10-minute hike. Not too steep. I think I'm almost there. Morning, sir. How you doing? Some nice handbags this guy is selling there. Such a nice, adventurous, peaceful vibe. My first morning in Java. Getting a bit steeper. But along the way, there's people selling fruit, food, souvenirs, so a few shops. Alright, so I made it to the top. The sun is now coming out. It's still kind of foggy though. And they have these platforms you can go and take pictures on. Yeah, it's very foggy. I can barely see the temples. I do see it though, but yeah, the fog is really covering it up. What's this?
Tempe. Tempe soya.
Tempeh,
Yeah.
tofu.
Vegetable.
So I made it to Borobudur. It's about maybe a 5-10 minute drive from that first lookout point that I went to. So I'm gonna buy a ticket to get in. So you're not allowed any drones. So they took my drone, they searched my bag, they took my drone, and they gave me a number. So I'll just collect it when I head out. This whole temple ground is huge. It's massive. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just kind of walking around. I'm trying to find the temple, but I don't see it as yet. So to climb the temple, you have to take off your shoes and put on the slippers that they provide.
Because this is also a good spot to making pictures and
List number 8. You can remember. Woman.
So I lost my tour guide.
There is no hole, there was no.
This is one of the most amazing temples I've ever visited. It's so unique. Look at these bell-shaped structures here. That's the end of the tour. Just gonna walk around a bit. I feel like I should have come here around 6:30 when it opened, because I ended up coming around 9. And yeah, by the time we got to the temple, it was around 10 and the sun is just super hot. A girl ended up passing out, I think because of heat exhaustion, and an ambulance had to come. I never seen a temple like that. I saw some temples in Thailand, and it was nice, but this one is unique with the bell-shaped stuff at the top. So I got oxtails in Indonesia. Let's see how the Indonesians make it. Let's see how it is. Wow. It's actually very good. That food is really good. Full. Now I'm trying to find my way out of here. What kind of fruit is this? There's supposed to be a free shuttle to get back to the entrance, but I've been walking for a while. I don't know where it is.